So when you write the test case, right? When you write the test case, each company, each the project team, they follow their process and approach. You have to be open and welcoming any environment you go and adapt what they provide, how they want to do. That's it. Because you are getting hired as a quality analyst or the quality engineer, not a leader. So you are not responsible to open your mouth and teach them what to do, how to do. That's not your job. Job define what should you say, what should not you say. So as a quality assurance analyst or the engineer, you follow their process, how they do. It may be different than how you did, absolutely fine. You just adopt what they do, you just accept how they do, and you contribute and you start doing. That's your job. This is the precaution, this is the disclaimer. Now, test case should have a test case template, help a lot, so that many companies, we create the test case template, it helps. It can be like a test case. Remember, it varies from company to company, project to project. Test case template is important. You will learn test plan. So say an example, each of the user story can have a test plan. So multiple test cases, test plan definition is different. Some people call the project test plan is different than the user story test plan is different. Project test plan created by the test lead, that the entire things about the project, entire things, okay? But here we are focusing, scoping test plan for the user story. Test plan can be writing for the user story, such as example, user should be able to log out after 3 months. So we'll be creating the positive. That's the main test plan. User should be user story. User should be able to log out after 3 months. So there will be positive. The way you did in the Postman, there will be negative. And then in the positive, we'll be creating all the test case title. Again, this is every single thing based on your understanding. Nothing is memorization, nothing is theory, or nothing is like you can do the same thing over and over. Every project is different. So test plan is in the functional testing and the positive testing, negative testing, regression testing. So that's how you categorize your test plan like this. So it helps. So you can see what I have done on this user story. That's the test plan. Parameters is, as we mentioned, you are sending multiple sets of data to test the same functionality. That's called the parameter. So you have two options. Whatever we did on the Postman, same thing here as well. No changes. Test data, whatever we have done on the Postman, the same. Test data based on the application, based on the understanding of the application. No change. Test configuration is actually the change in the GUI testing. What is this? That's how the decision happened. Which operating system your user is using? Mac, Windows, part of the test configuration. Which browser they are using? Firefox, Edge, Safari, Chrome. This also browser. So this actually part of the test configuration. You cannot do any of this on the Excel, by the way. You can only use in the test management tool. So that we will be doing in the testing. And runs. Run in the Excel, you just read, execute. Read its steps, execute on the browser. Read its step, execute on the browser. And then you just say on your Excel, pass or fail. Just simply say in the Excel, pass or fail. In the Agile ALM tools, it has an interface where you can call pass and fail. And finally, progress report. Based on all of this, based on the run, it will show you pass or fail. If it fail, then it will show you. And then this report you can use for this specific feature, for this specific user story, for this specific anything, for the test report, for the regression, for the functional, this report actually help you. So you do not need to prepare the report manually. This report you can actually submit to your leader or the system, the manager or the stakeholder. or the product owner, so they can see how many tests pass, how many tests fail, how many tests is blocked, how many tests is not required to run. That's exactly on the we will be doing.